Overthinking. It sounds harmless, doesn't it? Just a mind trying to make sense of things. But what if I told you, overthinking is quietly destroying you? Not all at once, but slowly, silently, piece by piece. You replay every conversation. You analyze every word. You imagine 1,000 versions of what could go wrong, until your mind becomes a battlefield where peace doesn't exist. You convince yourself you're preparing for the worst. But in reality, you're just reliving your fears before they even happen. Overthinking doesn't protect you. It paralyzes you. It makes you afraid to try, afraid to speak, afraid to live. You start doubting your worth, your purpose, your place in this world. And while you sit there thinking about what if, life keeps moving forward without you. You see, the truth is, no amount of thinking can change the past. No amount of worrying can control the future. And no amount of self-doubt can create peace. Peace isn't found by thinking harder. It's found by letting go. You need to understand something powerful. Your thoughts are not always your truth. Your mind is like a storm, and sometimes you just need to step out of the rain. You don't need to fix every situation or control every outcome. You just need to trust yourself enough to take the next step, even if you can't see the whole path. Every second you spend overthinking is a second stolen from your dreams. Every moment wasted in fear is a moment that could have been filled with growth. Stop letting your mind convince you that everything will fall apart. You've survived worse. You've overcome pain before. You're stronger than the voice inside your head that keeps you scared. So breathe. Forgive yourself for the things you can't change. Forgive others for not being who you expected them to be. And most importantly, forgive your mind for the chaos it created. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness behind them. And once you realize that, you take your power back. Because when you finally stop overthinking, you'll see the beauty that's been waiting for you all along. The peace in silence, the strength in stillness, and the freedom in letting go. Don't let overthinking destroy you. You deserve a calm mind, a peaceful heart, and a life that feels light again. Let go. Trust yourself. And start living, not just existing.